In this video, you will learn how to create bar of pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this bar of pie chart using this set of data. It is the data about the family expenditure. First column shows the items and second one shows the expenditure. Remember that if you have more than 7 values, then you can use bar of pie chart or pie of pie chart. And if you have less than 7 value or less than data entries, then you should use simple pie chart instead of bar of pie chart or pie of pie chart. Secondly, if you are interested to generate simple pie chart or pie of pie chart in Microsoft Excel, then separate video tutorials are available on our channel. You can watch those videos to generate simple pie chart or pie of pie chart. In this video, you will learn how to generate bar of pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's start this tutorial without further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, you can see here that I have more than 7 values, because if I have less than 7 values, then we cannot generate bar of pie chart. Instead of this, we will use simple pie chart. Firstly, select this data. You can see here I have selected all data without headers. Go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, you will find the option of Charts, and in Charts, you will find the option of Pie Chart. Click on it, and from here, I will select Bar of Pie Chart. Click on it. Now I will place it here, and I will resize it. Now you will learn how to conditionally format this chart to make it more attractive, like this one. Firstly, click on this chart, and here you will find the option of chart element option, which is the plus sign. Click on it. Here you will find different options. I want to insert data labels in this chart, so I will select this option, and I don't want legends, so I will unselect this option. Firstly, I will edit chart title. Select this one. You can write chart title in formula bar and press enter. I will simply put equal sign and select the title. Press enter. Now you can see here the chart title is changed, and I will bold it, change its color, and you can also adjust the size. Now click anywhere on this chart, right click, and here you will find the option of Format Data Series. Click on it. Now in Data Series option, you will find different options. Firstly, here is the option of Split Series by Position. You can see here currently it split the series based on position. For example, first 7 entries will be shown here, and remaining entries will be shown in the form of bar. Now if I change it to value, and you can select the value. For example, I will select less than 10 values should be appear in the form of bar, so I will write 10 and click here. Now you can see here the values which are less than 10 are appeared in bar, and remaining values are appeared in pie chart. Again I will select this one, and I will explore other option. There is another useful option, which is the percent values. The values less than 10% are currently displayed in the form of bar graph. If I change this value, for example, I will show 8, then you can see here these are the values which are less than 8%. Later on, you will also learn how to display the values in the form of percentage. Currently, this graph shows the values in rupees. Now you will learn another option, which is the custom option. In custom option, you can move the slice either to pie chart or to bar graph. For example, I am interested to move this slice to pie chart. From here, I will select point belong to first plot. You can see here this is moved to pie chart. If I am interested to move this slice to bar chart, so I will select second plot. Now you can see here this one is moved to this chart. Now we will explore other options. If I scroll down, you will find other option. For example, here is the option of point explosion. You can use this option to separate these slices. For example, if I click on this graph and I will use point explosion. Now you can see here these slices are separated, and if I decrease this one, then these slices will come closer to each other. Currently I have selected 0%. Second one, if you want to explode individual slice, then select this one. Now you can see here the whole graph is selected. Again click on particular slice. Now you can see here only this slice is selected, and if I use point explosion option, then only this slice will explode. You can see here. Now there is an option of gap width. You can adjust the gap width between this pie chart and bar chart. If I increase this one, the distance between these two charts will increase. Now it is increasing. I will select 200. And here is the option of adjust the second plot size. Currently it is the 75% of this one. Currently you can see here the size of bar chart is selected 75% of pie chart. You can increase or decrease this value. I will not change this one. Now you will learn other useful formatting option. I will select this one, go to chart design, and here you will find different design. You can choose any one. You can see here different chart designs are visible here. Additionally, Excel has inbuilt layout. You can use this option to select the particular layout. Now you will learn how to change the color of this bar of pie chart and how to adjust the labels. I will select this one, right click, go to format data series, and here you will find the option of fill and line graph. From fill option you can choose any color. Here is a useful option to change color. You can select any one. Firstly, I want to insert a border. I will select solid line and I will adjust the width 1.5 pt. You can choose the color of border. Currently you can see here the border is inserted, which is black in color and 1.5 pt width. Now if you are interested to change the color of individual slice, click on it and again click on that particular slice. You can see here I have selected this slice only. Go to fill and line option, and from fill option I will select solid fill, and I can choose any color according to my requirement. For example, I will choose red color. Now you can see here the color of this slice is changed to red. Similarly, you can adjust the transparency of this color using this option. Now you will learn how to format data labels. I will click on data labels. Now you can see here the data labels are selected now. Firstly, I will go to home tab, and from here I will select bold, black color, and I will not change their font size. Right click on this data label. After selecting this, go to format data label option, and here you will find different option. I want to insert percentage instead of values, so I will select this one and I will remove the values. Now you can see here percentages are displayed here. We have already removed the legend, so I will insert the category name, so I will select this one. Additionally, I don't want these ladder lines. Ladder lines are these lines which are around the data labels, so I will unselect this one. After that, you have option for label position. You can select center, inside and outside, and I will select inside and I will close this one. Additionally, if you click on this particular data label and again click on this, then you can see here only this data label is selected. If you place your cursor on these lines, then a 4 arrow sign appeared and you can move it on any direction or any location. So you can see here we have completed the formatting of this bar of pie chart. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.